Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the ASUS XG-C100C 10G network adapter PCI-E X4 card, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This adapter is designed for users who need ultra-fast and reliable networking performance, perfect for bandwidth-heavy tasks like gaming, 4K video streaming, and large file transfers. The ASUS XG-C100C offers hyper-fast 10 gigabits per second networking speeds, delivering up to 10 times faster data transfer compared to traditional Gigabit Ethernet cards. This makes it an excellent upgrade for desktops that require high-speed internet connectivity without the need for expensive fiber optic setups. It supports full backward compatibility with current network standards, including 10/5/2.5/1 Gbps and 100 megabits per second, ensuring it will work seamlessly with your existing network infrastructure. One of the standout features of this card is its single RJ-45 port, which allows you to use standard copper Ethernet cables, making installation straightforward and cost-effective. The built-in quality of service (QoS) technology is an added advantage, allowing users to prioritize bandwidth and data packets for a smoother, lag-free online experience, especially useful for gaming or streaming. Compatibility is broad, with support for Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, and multiple Linux kernels, 4.4, 4.2, 3.6, 3.2, offering flexibility no matter your operating system preference. Additionally, the card is TAA compliant, which is a plus for government or corporate environments requiring compliance with trade agreements. Pros: extremely fast 10 gigabits per second speeds for demanding network tasks, backward compatibility with multiple network speeds, easy installation with a standard RJ-45 port using copper cables, built-in QoS for prioritizing network traffic, wide OS support including Windows and Linux, TAA compliant for enterprise use. Cons: single port might limit multi-device setups without additional hardware, requires a PCI-E X4 slot, which might be a consideration for some older or compact systems. To fully utilize 10 gigabits per second speeds, compatible network infrastructure is necessary, which may require additional investment. In summary, the ASUS XG-C100C is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop networking capabilities to 10 gigabits per second without breaking the bank on fiber solutions. Its ease of installation, compatibility, and QoS features make it a versatile and powerful network adapter. Remember, the link to purchase this adapter at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out if you're interested in boosting your network speed today.